Hey, greetings, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over a feature in Google Docs that you probably didn't know but might save your bacon and get you the file that you wanted to work on in a previous revision of what you were working with back to a certain point in time. So basically what I'm saying is there's a version history here. When you go to File and you go into the C version history, you can either do that or do Control, Alt, Shift, and H if you're a keyboard shortcut nerd like I am. So I'm going to click on that. And here, if I want to go back to the very beginning of when I first started this document, I'm going to click on, let's say, February 1st. And at this time, this is what that document looked like, I should say. If I click on this little black triangle button right here, this expands even further to get more finite, more granular onto the details of what I worked on. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 more revisions that I can get. Even, like I said, even more granular on. With that said, at any point, if this is, let's say this is the point I want to start over from, if I save this, I can make a copy of this to where it saves it at this point, and it saves a completely separate document, which sometimes may be advantageous for you. Probably most times that would be the best way to go, because maybe you still want the final version of it, but you still want the previous copy of that. Now, if you don't need any of that and you want to completely discard everything that you did after this point in time, you can just hit restore to this version and it will be back in track. So, and that's it. If you have any further questions, be sure to reach out to me. As always, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. That way when new content's pushed out, you'll be the first to know. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day.